Hi everyone, Chef Shelbie here with Whole Health Every Day. Little about Whole Health Every Day is we are a team of talented chefs. We are professionally trained. We focus on in-home meal prep, and we also do parties. We also can do cooking lessons, and we focus on being healthy, and we work towards your diet and what your wants and needs are. And we do it in the comfort of your own home. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin seed crusted salmon with maple spiced carrots. This is one of my favorite fall recipes, and we're now in pumpkin season, so everybody has those pumpkin seeds from their pumpkin carving lying around that they can utilize. So first we're gonna preheat our oven to 425, which I already did that, so it would be ready in time. We're also gonna need a 9x13 pan wrapped in foil and coated with coconut oil spray. So first we're gonna start with the carrots. We are going to cut them diagonally about a 1/4 inch thick. So we'll do that now. I'm gonna put them in this bowl. And we are gonna be making 2 servings today of this dish. Okay. Now we are going to coat them with about 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 1 garlic clove minced, and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and also sea salt and fresh ground pepper to taste. Just a little splash. Coat those all together. And then we are going to put them into our 9x13 baking dish. So these are going to cook for about 10 minutes in the oven. So while we are doing the salmon, those will cook. So we have 2 salmon fillets right here. Make sure you pat them dry. Put that away. With the salmon, we are going to salt and pepper. We are going to also coat with pure maple syrup, about 3 tablespoons. Coat all around. And then for the crust, I did 3 tablespoons of chopped pumpkin seeds, roasted pumpkin seeds. You can buy these at the grocery store, or you can do them yourself, like I said, if you carve pumpkins like I do. I roast them, clean them and roast them in the oven about 10 minutes at 350 degrees or until lightly browned, and I coat them in coconut oil and salt and pepper. And then also the crust is mixed with 2 multigrain crackers. I use Milton brand. I feel like this brand works very well with this recipe, and they're non-GMO crackers. So I crush them up, mix the pumpkin seeds, and then you just sprinkle over the salmon fillets. Just like so. And then I have coconut oil here, about 3 tablespoons, and I drizzle over the crust to kind of get it to stick a little better. And then I will get my carrots out after 10 minutes. I have some here that I baked a little earlier so they would be ready with the salmon. I'm going to place my fillets on top of the carrots, like so. Get them in the middle a little bit. And then I am going to bake these for about another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I'll start my timer. And then we'll wait for those. I really love doing this recipe because pumpkin seeds are a great source of B vitamins, magnesium, iron, protein, and they can even lower your cholesterol. And then after the 10 minutes, the salmon should be done. It might need a little longer, but this looks like it is finished. You want the salmon to be kind of flaky to the touch, which it definitely is perfect. So what we are going to do is plate it now. Going to plate it like so. Some carrots. Just wipe down the sauce for a nice clean plate. And then for a little garnish, I like to do a little parsley, give it some color. And also some more chopped pumpkin seeds around the carrots, make it look really nice. And there you have it. We have our pumpkin seed crusted salmon with maple spiced carrots. A great fall recipe.